Good afternoon, students. So class 10th polynomial chapter introduction video. So in this video let me introduce the polynomial meaning and then types of polynomial: linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial, then few sums, and then long division method. Very easiest chapter based on class 8, 9, 10. So first one, introduction without wasting time. Polynomial. What is meant by polynomial? So polynomial na the expression which contains many terms. Polyna, many. In your textbook, page number 20. In class 9, you have studied polynomials in one variable with the degrees. Recall the p of x polynomial. Highest power of x is p of x is called as degree. For example, 4x plus 2 is a polynomial in one variable of x, degree 1. 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial of degree 2. 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus root 2 is a polynomial of variable x of degree 3. And variable u with degree 6. Page number 20, they given you very clearly. But usually the meaning of a polynomial, poly, many, meal, term, many term. Okay, even if the expression contains only one term, also is said to be polynomial. So degree. So this is said to be polynomial x square plus 3x plus 6. This is a polynomial with the degree 2. What is meant by degree? The highest power of x is said to be degree. Similarly, this one, x cube plus 4x square plus 7x plus 5. So this is a polynomial of variable x because there is no variable, and then highest power of x is 3. So degree 3. Similarly, this one, x plus 1. This is also degree. This is also a polynomial. This is also a polynomial with the degree, highest power degree is 1. Therefore, now they divide into three pieces. Polynomial. There are many polynomials are there. The first one, whenever the highest power of x is equal to 1 is said to be linear polynomial. Highest power of x, degree 1 na linear polynomial. Degree 2 அப்படினா என்னன்னா quadratic polynomial. So only a new chapter name is quadratic equation. Okay, highest power of x is 3 now, that is said to be cubic polynomial. So I repeat again, polynomial, polyna many, meal na term, many term. And then so this highest power of x is 1 na linear polynomial, highest power of x is 2 na quadratic polynomial, highest power of x is equal to 3 na cubic polynomial. Now in this chapter they will ask you to find out mostly quadratic and few sums in the cubic polynomial. Okay, so what is it linked with class 9? To find the roots, to find the factors, everything. Class 9 the second chapter also polynomial, and here also second chapter is polynomial. So first one, they will have geometric meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. So what is meant by geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial? I will move on to the meaning of the polynomial. Okay, so first exercise, there are three exercises I think so. So three exercises. First it is based on graph, second exercise is based on verification, and third exercise is long division method. So, and I will recall the class 9th also. For how to find the roots for this one, x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, what are the zeros, what are the factors, everything same meaning. So x equal to minus 2 is the 0 factor which you guys have learned in the class 9th itself. Okay, so factorization also in class 9, x square plus 7x plus 12. How to find the roots using factorization. If you guys know the quadratic equation chapter, you can use the quadratic equation chapter also. But if you doesn't know the quadratic equation chapter, you can guys apply by splitting the middle term. Okay, next, quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is said to be quadratic polynomial. 5x square plus 7x minus 6. So in place of a equal to 5, in place of b equal to 7, in place of c equal to minus 6, you have to compare and you have to take it as a, b, c value. Okay, so everything based on the quadratic polynomial. So I hope so I have given the much introduction about the polynomial. Now I move on to the exercise. Okay, basis I have given you. Now move on to the exercise. The first exercise is based on geometrical meaning. What is meant by geometrical meaning? So geometrical meaning, the graph, using graph you have to find out how many factors, how many zeros, how many roots the given equation will have. So I'll start with the example sum, then move on to the exercise sum. So example number 1, look at the graph and find out how many numbers of zeros. So example number 1, look at the graph and find out how many zeros, how many factors. So a small int is the x-axis, y-axis. You have to copy the questions in your classwork. So you have to check the graph. Okay, this is a curve. So how many places the curve touches the x-axis? So if you are aiming for the entrance exam, read the textbook line by line. If you are aiming for only CBSE to get the more marks, just follow the steps, okay? And if you have a time, you can read the textbooks. So textbooks, no problem, okay? So now, in how many places the graph touches the x-axis? This curve touches the x-axis in only one place. Therefore, we can write it as only 1, 0, one factor, one root, okay? Only 1, 0. So second example number 1, 2. How many? Like this I can draw, okay? So how many places the curve touches the x-axis? This curve touches the x-axis in 2 places. Okay, see here, 2 places. Only you have to see the x-axis. Okay, therefore it has 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Similarly, next one. Okay. So similarly, the third graph. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So see here, the curve touches the x-axis in 3 places. So you have to complete the sum as it has 3 zeros. Similarly, example number 1, fourth sum. Like this I given you, and the curve touches the x-axis in only one place. Therefore, fourth sum is it has only 1 0. It has only one root or 1 0 or one factor. Fifth sum. Fifth sum, the curve touches the x-axis in only one place. It has only 1 0, and the next sum is it has 4 0. So similarly, exercise 2.1 you can complete on your own itself. Exercise 2.1, first Roman, they given you 6 graphs. So first one, I already told you that you have to check the curve touches the x-axis only. This curve does not touch the x-axis, therefore your answer must be it has no zeros. Second sum, you guys by seeing the textbook also you can do. Second sum it has only 1 0, third sum it has 3 0, fourth sum it has 2 0, fifth sum it has 4 0, and sixth sum it has 1 2 3 3 zeros. By seeing the graph, by seeing this introduction, you can complete the first exercise. And the second exercise introductions. Second exercise is the relationship between zeros and the polynomial coefficients. What is zeros and polynomial? I already told you that ax squared plus bx plus c, this is a quadratic polynomial. You guys should know how to find out what is a value, what is b value, what is c value. A value is 5, b value is -6, c value is -7. So now there is a Greek symbol, alpha, beta, gamma. So this is said to be, you can pronounce yourself alpha, and this is said to be beta, and this is said to be gamma. There are many symbols are there, rho, psi, pi, many symbols are there. But in this chapter, they will tell you only these 3. Okay, this is for cubic polynomial. These 2 are for the quadratic polynomial. Here, how to find out whether the zeros using this one or how to verify. Okay, so now the formula is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. Kindly note it down. This is for the quadratic polynomial. What about the cubic polynomial? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. B and another these numbers, okay? And alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a. And the last one, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d upon a. I repeat, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. Alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. So this is for the cubic polynomial, this is for the quadratic polynomial. So how to use this formula and how to verify these 2 things. Okay, so now we move on to the exercise example number. Now I can move on. So in your textbook, exercise 2.2, based on 2.2, there are few example sums. So I'll go with example number 2, 3, 4. So let me wipe out. So example number 2, page number 30. Find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between. So example number 2, they are asking you to find out the zeros, okay, and also verify. So now x square plus 7x plus 10. X square plus 7x plus 10. Using the splitting the middle term only, you can do it. Or if you know that, if your teacher already taught your quadratic equation chapter, you can apply that minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a method. If you doesn't know that method, kindly go for the splitting the middle term shortcut. First one, x square mod என்ன number இருக்கு 1. So multiply that 1 into last number. So splitting the middle term class 9th portion. Which two number if you multiply you will get 10. At the same time if you add you get 7. So 5 and 2. Multiply பண்ணா 10 வருது, add பண்ணா 7 வருது. Now splitting the middle term x square plus இந்த 10 எதுமே பண்ணாதீங்க. Middle term என்ன இருக்கு 7x. 7x can be split into 5x plus 2x. Now first two are father, last two are mother. Either 2x plus 5x square எழுதிக்கலாம், depends upon the sum. Father ல x காமனா எடு, x plus 5. Mother ல இங்க x plus 5 na, here also should be x plus 5. அப்ப mother ல எந்த நம்பரை காமனா எடுப்ப, 2 காமனா எடுத்திருக்கேன். Like this you have to think. Okay, next step. The entire family, the one bracket is common. What's the bracket common? X plus 5 common ஆ இருக்கு. அப்ப மிச்சம் என்ன இருக்கும்? ஒரு x, ஒரு plus, ஒரு 2. Okay, so how to find the zeros? அப்பனா x plus 5 equal to 0 பண்ணுங்க. And then x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 5, x equal to negative 2. So you got 2 zeros for this sum. So அதுல first zero, உனக்கு பிடிச்ச zero alpha எடுத்துக்க, இன்னொரு zeros, factors, roots எதை வேணா வச்சுக்க, பீட்டான்னு எடுத்துக்க. Now therefore இது find the zeros, ஒரு part முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Second part is verification. Verification என்ன சொன்ன ஃபார்முலா எழுதிக்கீங்க, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. இன்னொன்னு alpha beta equal to c by a. So verify பண்ணணும். அப்போ first என்ன பண்ணணும், alpha plus beta என்ன வருதுன்னு பாரு, alpha beta என்ன வருதுன்னு பாரு, minus b by a என்ன வருதுன்னு பாரு, c by a என்ன வருதுன்னு பாரு. If both are same na, your answer is correct. So first LHS. Okay, நான் ஒரு கோடு போட்டு LHS என்னது, alpha plus beta. So first alpha plus beta என்ன வருது, alpha na என்ன, beta na என்ன, ஒரு ரூட்டுக்கு பேர் alpha, இன்னொரு ரூட்டுக்கு பேர் beta. அப்ப வந்து ஆட் பண்ணு, minus 5 minus 2. அப்ப ஆன்சர் minus 7. Okay, அடுத்தது alpha plus beta க்கு ஃபார்முலா என்ன, minus b by a. Okay, இப்போ இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல a b c வேல்யூ என்ன. So right, so I already told you that how to compare x square with coefficient. So x square with coefficient 1, x உடைய coefficient b and the constant 10. So minus b க்கு பதிலா 7, a க்கு பதிலா 1. So minus 7. So LHS லியும் minus 7, RHS லியும் minus 7. ஒரு part correct. அடுத்த second part alpha beta. Alpha beta என்னது, alpha minus 5, beta minus 2. minus 5 into minus 2 எனக்கு positive 10 வருது. இதே positive 10 இங்க வருதா, alpha beta க்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலா, c by a. c உடைய நம்பர் என்னது 10, a உடைய நம்பர் 1. So 10, இங்கேயும் 10, இங்கேயும் 10. Therefore this is said to be verification. Hence verified. Next, example number 3. Find the zeros of the polynomial and also verify the relationship. Same concept. You have to find the zeros and you have to do the verification. So I am not erasing. Okay, anyway, I will write this one more time. So first one, x square minus 3. So example number 3, x square minus 3. First step, ax square plus bx minus c. Okay, this is said to be polynomial. So a oda value 1, b oda value, inga x oda coefficient illa, appo b oda value 0, constant negative 3. Okay, for case number 1, how to find the zeros of a polynomial x square minus 3. Okay, x square minus 3 zeros of the polynomial. Is it splitting the middle term போடணுமா, இங்க x ஏ இல்ல, அப்ப splitting the middle term போடணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. So this is a square, this can be root 3a எப்படி எழுதலாம், root 3 whole square. ஏன்னா root 3 into root 3 என்ன வரும் 3. அப்ப இது என்ன ஃபார்முலால இருக்கு 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல, a square minus b square னா a plus b இன்னொன்னு a minus b ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கு. So a plus b into a minus b format la, therefore x plus root 3 and one more x minus root 3. Now how to find? Divide into two pieces. That is x plus root 3 equal to 0 na x oda value minus root 3. Next, x minus root 3 equal to 0 na x oda value root 3. So as I told earlier, the first one said to be alpha, second one said to be beta. Now I have to move on to the verification. So verification topic note ka pottittu first verify alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. இது முதல்ல நம்ம செக் பண்ணி ஆகணும். அடுத்த வெரிஃபிகேஷன் என்னது? ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா ஈக்குவல் டு சி பை ஏ. ஏபிசி வேல்யூ எவ்ரிதிங் யூ நோ, ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டாவும் தெரியும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்ஹெச்எஸ் என்னது? ஆல்ஃபா பிளஸ் பீட்டா, அதாவது மைனஸ் ரூட் 3ஐயும் பிளஸ் ரூட் 3ஐயும் ஆட் பண்ண என்ன வருது நம்மளுக்கு? 0. மைனஸ் பி பை ஏ மைனஸ் 0 by 1, ஆன்சர் என்ன வருது? 0. ஸோ here also 0, here also 0. And the next one, alpha beta equal to c by a. Alpha beta minus root 3 plus root 3. Minus root 3 ஐயும் plus root 3 multiply பண்ணா என்ன வருதுனா? minus 3. c by a. c க்கு பதிலா minus 3 by 1. Minus 3 by 1. Answer minus 3. இங்கேயும் minus 3, இங்கேயும் minus 3. Hence verified. Next, example number 3 completed. Example number 4. Find the quadratic polynomial. So இவ்வளோ நேரமா they asked us to find the zeros and the verified. But now they will ask us, they will give you the zeros, how to find the polynomial. Now example number 4. Find the quadratic polynomial whose sum is given and product is given. So சம்மும் ப்ராடக்ட்டும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா எப்படி வந்து நீ பாலினாமியலை கண்டுபிடிப்ப? ஸோ எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 4, whose sum. அப்போனா சம்முக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன? ஆல்ஃபா பிளஸ் பீட்டா கொடுத்துட்டாங்க கொஸ்டின்லயே. என்னது ஆல்ஃபா பிளஸ் பீட்டா வேல்யூ என்னது? -3. ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன? ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா வேல்யூ ப்ராடக்ட் என்ன வேல்யூ? 2. கொஸ்டின் என்ன கேட்குறாங்க? ஃபைண்ட் த குவாட்ராட்டிக் பாலினாமியல். ஸோ ஃபைண்ட் த குவாட்ராட்டிக் பாலினாமியல்னா ஷார்ட்கட் என்ன? x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. ஷார்ட்கட் நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க. x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. இதுதான் நமக்கு ஷார்ட்கட். அப்பனா x square minus alpha plus beta க்கு நம்பர் என்னது? -3 into x. Alpha beta க்கு நம்பர் 2. Therefore finally I got x square plus 3x plus 2. So உங்களுடைய புக் ஆன்சர் என்ன இருக்குன்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். உங்களோட புக் ஆன்சர் x square plus 3x plus 2. So இதுதான் ஷார்ட்கட் to find out the quadratic polynomial. Now example number 5. Verify the zeros of a cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial க்கு ஏற்கனவே I have given you the formula. Now we'll go verify the 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial and also verify the relationship. So இது வந்து zeros-ஆ இல்லையான்னு முதல்ல செக் பண்ணணும். எந்தெந்த நம்பர்லாம் செக் பண்ணணும்? -3 -1, sorry, +3 -1 -1 1 1/3 is the zeros of the polynomial. 9th portion, p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x -11x -3. இந்த கியூபிக் பாலினாமியலுக்கு இது ஜீரோஸா இல்லையா? 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் போர்ஷன் என்ன பண்ணுவ? ஒவ்வொரு நம்பரையா சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுவ. if the answer is 0 na yes 3 is the root. -1 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுவ. if the answer is 0 na yes it is a root. அந்த மாதிரி பார்க்கணும். all the 3 you have to do. so 1 நான் பண்றேன். first case when x equal to 3. so p of 3. அப்ப நான் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் x இருக்கோ அங்க 3 போடு. 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So 3 times 27 minus 5 times 9 minus 33 minus 3. So this is 1 to 81 minus 45 minus 33 minus 3. So 81 minus 81 answer 0. So அப்பனா உடனே இங்க ஆன்சர் என்ன எழுதணும்? Yes, 3 is the roots of the polynomial. Similarly, p of -1 என்ன வரும்? p of -1/3. I think both will be 0. Therefore you have to write yes. Now ஒரு பார்ட் முடிச்சிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னது? வெரிஃபிகேஷன். வெரிஃபிகேஷனுக்கு ஃபார்முலா என்ன? that I will write here. Formula alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to -b by a. alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to C by A. And the last one, alpha beta plus beta, alpha beta gamma multiplication equal to minus D by A. Okay. Now this one we have to go. So இப்போ எப்படி வெரிஃபை பண்றது? First ABC வேல்யூ தெரியணும். First A வேல்யூ x cube உடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட், B x square, C x, D constant. Now we'll have to go for alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to formula என்ன? Minus B by A. LHS equal to RHS. இப்போ alpha beta gamma na என்னது? They given you 3 zeros, right? அதுல first 0 alpha, second 0 beta, third 0 gamma. Okay, so first LHS 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 minus 1 by 3 answer 5 by 3. இங்கேயும் 5 by 3 வந்தா கரெக்ட். செக் பண்ணலாமா? So minus B க்கு பதிலா minus 5, A க்கு பதிலா 3. So here also 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, 5 by 3. Second verification, alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma alpha formula என்ன? C by A. So multiply பண்ணோம். First LHS, RHS. Alpha beta multiply பண்ணா minus 3. Beta gamma multiply பண்ணா 1 by 3. Gamma alpha multiply பண்ணா minus 1 by 3. So எனக்கு minus 3 வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ இங்கேயும் minus 3 வருதான்னு பார்க்கணும். C தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன்னா beta gamma multiply பண்ணா 1 by 3. இது எப்படி minus 1 by 3 வந்துச்சு? So careless mistake. அது multiply பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? minus 3 by 3 minus 1. So அப்போ கேன்சல் ஆகாது. ஸோ இப்போ இதை பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்னு பார்க்கணும். C by A வரணும்லே அப்போ minus 11 by 3 வருதான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஸோ LCM வந்து 3. Okay, LCM வந்து 3. So minus 9 plus 1 minus 3. So I got minus 11 by 3. இங்கேயும் minus 11 by 3 வருதா பார்க்கலாம். Yes, C by A minus 11 by 3. Here also same. Next, இன்னும் ஒன்னே ஒன்று தான் பெண்டிங். இன்னும் ஒன்னே ஒன்று என்ன பெண்டிங்? Third one, that is alpha beta gamma க்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலா? minus D by A. இந்த மூணுத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா எனக்கு ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்? 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 1 by 3 ஆன்சர் 1 வருது. minus D by A minus D by A minus D by A அதுவும் ஆன்சர் 1 வருது. Here also 1, here also 1. So the final answer is hence verified. So இந்த மாதிரி exercise 1 2.2 and so 2.2 என்ன இருக்கு? Find the 2.2 ல first Roman. Find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and find the quadratic polynomial கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then the next exercise is long division method. That's it. So first one to exercise 2.2 first Roman. I'll put the next video. Okay.